Hello everyone, in this session we are going to solve PYQ from the topic solar system. So in total there are 25 MCQ. After each question I will give you 5 seconds to think and choose your answer, but if you need more times you can pause the video. So let's get started. Question number 1. The nebular hypothesis of solar system formation was first proposed by option R. So the answer is B. Explanation. The nebular hypothesis was first proposed by German philosopher Kant in 1775. And question number 2. Which of the following is our luminous celestial bodies? First stars, 2 planets and 3 galaxies. And option are 1 only, 1 and 3 only, 2 and 3 only, or 1, 2, 3. So the answer is B, 1 and 3, star and galaxies. Question number 3. Consider the following statement about Venus. It's rotate clockwise, its rotation is slower than its revolution, and it is the brightest planet. Option R. So क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 के लिए हमारा आंसर होगा बी, 1 and 3 ओनली. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट हमारा ये था कि इट्स रोटेट क्लॉकवाइज, जो कि सही है. हमारा जो वीनस है, वीनस और यूरेनस क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में ही रोटेट करता है. सेकंड था कि इट्स रोटेशन इज़ स्लोअर देन इट्स रिवोल्यूशन. नहीं, ये फॉल्स है. जो हमारा वीनस का रोटेशन पीरियड है वो 243 डेज़ है, 243 डेज़ है. Question number 4. Which of the following planet has the largest number of moons? Option R, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So the answer of this question is B, Saturn. So Saturn का 145 confirmed है, and Jupiter closely with 95 moon आते हैं. मतलब सेकंड अगर देखा जाए तो सबसे ज़्यादा जुपिटर के पास है, उसके बाद यूरेनस एंड नेपच्यून. अगर आप चाहो तो पढ़ सकते हो सारे, मतलब एक्सप्लेनेशन जितने भी दिए हुए हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. विच प्लैनेट हैज़ द लॉन्गेस्ट रेवोल्यूशन पीरियड? ऑप्शन आर. सो इसका आंसर होगा सी, नेपच्यून. और एक्सप्लेनेशन आप चाहो तो पॉज करके पढ़ सकते हो. इतना कुछ खास नहीं है, बट एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन है, आप चाहो तो पढ़ सकते हो. गो थ्रू दिस. So question number 6 is arrange the following correctly according to the distance from the sun: Mercury, Uranus, Earth, Neptune. So इसमें ये सेट करना है कि अर्थ से कौन कौन सबसे पहले सबसे कौन पास है, उसके पास बाद कौन है. इस तरीके से हमें अरेंज करना है. टेक योर टाइम. So the answer is A, Mercury, Earth, Uranus, Neptune. Question number 7. The Kuiper belt is mainly associated with. Option R. सो आंसर बी होगा. क्यूपर बेल्ट एक ऐसा मतलब बेल्ट है जो मतलब सबसे लास्ट में होता है, नेपच्यून के बाद होता है. इसके बाद सारे ड्वार्फ प्लैनेट होते हैं. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट अबाउट द मून? सो ऑप्शन आर. सो ऑप्शन सी होगा. एक साइड हमेशा जो मून का है वो अर्थ को फेस करते रहता है. मैच द फॉलोइंग पेयर करेक्टली. आप दोनों साइड को देखो, जो भी मैच करना है. क्वेश्चन इधर भी ऑप्शन को देखो, उधर भी ऑप्शन को देखो, और देखो कि कौन किससे करेक्टली मैच है, एंड देन आंसर. टेक योर टाइम. So the correct option is A, 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D. Question number 10. Aditya L1 mission of ISRO is related to. Option R. Take your time and then answer. So answer होगा इसका C. 11 is consider the following statement about Jupiter. First one is Jupiter has the longest rotational period. Second is the great red spot is persistent anticyclonic storm on Jupiter, and third is Ganymede. One of the Jupiter's moons is the largest satellite in the solar system. So आपको ये देखना है कि इन सब में से कौन सा सही है जुपिटर के लिए, एंड देन यू हैव टू चूज द आंसर. सो ऑप्शन आर ए, बी, सी, डी, एंड ए 1 and 3 only, B 1 2 only, C 2 and 3 only, D 1 2. So the answer is C 2 and 3 only. Jupiter has the shortest rotational period. The great red spot is persistent storm, and the Ganymede is the largest moon. आप इन सबको ऐसा फैक्ट भी याद कर सकते हो, आ सकता है स्टेटमेंट वाइज क्वेश्चन में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट सैटर्न एंड इट्स रिंग्स एंड मून्स. Statement 1. Saturn's mean density is less than water, so it would float in a large enough body of water. Statement 2. Saturn's rings were observed in 17th century. Huygens 1665 provided a major early description. Cassini discovered a prominent gap in Saturn's ring in the 17th century, which is known as the Cassini division. So which of the following above statement are correct? So option are. So answer is D 1, 2 and 3. All three statement about Saturn's density, ring observation and Cassini division. Question number 13. Consider the following statement about Uranus. Uranus appear greenish because methane in its atmosphere absorb red light and reflect blue-green wavelength. Uranus has the warmest surface temperature among the planet. William Herschel is credited with discovering Uranus in 1781. Which of the above statement are correct? So इनमें से कौन सा स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है यूरेनस के लिए, आप वो देख के अपने ऑप्शन को चूज करो. सो इसके लिए हमारा आंसर है 1 and 3 ओनली. यूरेनस हमें ग्रीन मीथेन की प्रेजेंस से ही दिखता है, और डिस्कवरी यूरेनस की विलियम हार्शल ने ही किया था. यूरेनस जो है वो सबसे वार्मेस्ट प्लैनेट नहीं है. आई थिंक वीनस जो है सबसे सोलर सिस्टम में सबसे ज़्यादा वार्मेस्ट प्लैनेट है. Consider the following statement about Neptune. Neptune's existence was predicted mathematically. Triton is the Neptune's largest moon and has a retrograde orbit. Neptune is the innermost of the ice giant planet. Which of the following statement are correct? Option are. सो इसके लिए हमारा आंसर होगा बी 1 and 2 ओनली. जो नेपच्यून का एग्जिस्टेंस था वो मैथमेटिकली ही प्रिडिक्ट हुआ था, और ट्राइटन जो है वो उसका लार्जेस्ट मून है जो कि रेट्रोग्रेड ऑर्बिट में रहता है. सो या. So question number 15. Assertion in 2006, the International Astronomical Union IAU reclassified Pluto as a dwarf planet. Reason: this reclassification occurred because Pluto orbit lie within the main asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. So choose the correct option. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true, but R is not correct explanation of A. A is true but R is false. Both A and R are false. Option are. So the answer is C. Explanation: the assertion is true but the reason is false because Pluto orbit in the Kuiper belt, not the main asteroid belt. So question number 16. Consider the following statement about Pluto and the Kuiper belt. Pluto orbital period around the sun is approx 248 Earth years. Pluto is a member of the Kuiper belt population, and Charon is the largest of Pluto's satellite. Which of the following above statement are correct? So option are. So the answer is D 1, 2 and 3. Pluto orbital period is about 248 years. It is a Kuiper belt object and Charon is its largest moon. Consider the following statement about luminous and non-luminous bodies. Stars are luminous because they produce light via internal nuclear fusion. Fairy flies glow because they reflect sunlight using specialized scales. Non-luminous objects like asteroids and comets shine in our sky by reflecting sunlight. Which of the above statement are correct? So the answer is A, 1 and 3 only. Star produce light by nuclear fusion, and fairy flies produce their own light, and asteroids and comets shine by reflecting sunlight. So yeah. Question number 18. Consider the following statement about comets. Comets are composed of rock, dust, ice, and gases. Helicomets has an orbital period of roughly 76 years, 76 and sometimes 75. Comets' tails always point towards the sun when a comet is near perihelion. Which of the above statement is are correct? Option are. Answer is B, 1 and 2 only. Comets are dirty snowballs. Helicomets has a 76-year period, and comet's tail point away from the sun, not towards. Question 19. Consider the following statement about asteroids and meteoroids. All asteroids are located beyond Neptune in the Kuiper belt. A meteoroid became a meteor when it's enter Earth atmosphere, and a meteorite if it's reached the ground. The main asteroid belt is located between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter, which is the above statement is are correct. So the answer is C, 2 and 3 only. Not all asteroids are beyond the Neptune. A meteoroid became a meteor in the atmosphere of Earth, and a meteorite if it's reached the ground. And the main belt lie between the Mars and Jupiter. So question number 20. Assertion. Neptune has the shortest orbital period among the planets. Reason. Neptune is the closest planet to the Sun as it completes its orbit fastest. Choose the correct option. Both A and R are true, but R is not correct. Correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true, but R is not explanation of A. A is true, but R is false, and both A and R are false. Option R. So the answer is D. Explanation. Neptune does not have the shortest orbital period. Mercury does. Neptune is not the closest planet to the Sun. So both A and R are false. Which of the following statement regarding comets is correct? Their tails are always direct towards the Sun. Their tails are always directed away from the Sun. They do not have any tails. Their tails are directed parallel to their orbits. Option R. So the answer is B. A comet's tails always pointed away from the Sun due to the solar wind and radiation. Consider the following statement about the Sun energy structure. Approx 90% of the solar system mass is in the Sun. The Sun composition is primarily hydrogen and helium with the heavier metal in the trace amount. Photons created in the core take a long diffusive path to reach the photosphere before streaming to space. Which of the above statement is are correct? Option are. So the answer is D, 1, 2 and 3. About 90% of the solar system mass is in the sun. It is mainly made up of hydrogen and helium, and photons take a long time to escape from the core. Consider the following statement about Jupiter. Jupiter has no ring system at all. Galileo discovered the four large Galilean satellites. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system. Which of the above statement is are correct? So the answer is 2 and 3 only. Jupiter has a faint ring system. Galileo discovered the four Galilean moons, and Ganymede is the largest one. So yeah. Question number 24. Which of the following statement is correct? The density of Saturn is similar to that of Earth. The size of Earth and Venus are almost similar, and the size of Jupiter and Mars is similar. Mars is the warmest planet. So choose your option. So the answer is B. The size of Earth and the Venus are almost similar, because as we know अर्थ के ट्विन सिस्टर भी कहते हैं वीनस को साइज एंड मास में. बाकी अदर जो फीचर्स हैं जैसे एटमॉस्फेयर वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा ड्रास्टिकली डिफरेंट होता है. सो या. Question number 25. Which planet rotates on its side, leading to extreme seasonal change, and it is classified as an ice giant? Option. So the answer is C, Uranus. Uranus has an axial tilt of about 98 degree, causing it to essentially roll on its side with its north pole facing the sun 4.5 its orbit. So